In my garage, so I'm going to turn my lights off. It gets pretty dark in here, and test the brightness of these lights. Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the LE rechargeable headlamps. They come in a pack of 2. Here's a quick look at the charging port. Let me give you a little more of an up-close look at these headlamps. This headlamp is going to tilt 45 degrees when you wear it on your head. The white light is going to have 4 modes. Just press the power button on and off, and I'll take you through the modes, and then the last press is off. Now, I really like the red light feature and also the red and green strobe. When I camp, I use the red light a lot. It saves your night vision, so that's very important to me. I'm in my garage, so I'm going to turn my lights off. It gets pretty dark in here, and test the brightness of these lights. Now, to me, these are budget-friendly headlamps, and I really am very happy. They throw out a lot of light. Now, here's the red lights. I really like this when I go camping. I mean, it just saves my night vision. These headlamps, they throw out a lot of light, so that is a thumbs up and a recommend from me. And the fact that they're rechargeable, oh yeah, I don't have to go looking for batteries. So these are going to be great in my shop. So if you're looking at them, I hope you found my video helpful.